Turn the bedroom lights off. So welcome guys, this is 3 things you can do that's super cool with your Google Assistant on your Galaxy Watch 4. Let's dive right in. Turn on printer.
Got it. Turning the printer on.
Alright. Home automation is downright my favorite feature when it comes to Google Assistant because I'll be honest with you, I'm a lazy slug and I cannot be bothered to get up and switch the light on and off whenever I need to do so. It is a little far from my room, about 3 steps, which is quite significant if you ask me. So having it available right on my watch and being able to change the color of the light or turn it off or turn on and off my printer at the with a simple voice command is priceless for me. Guys, since this is a Google Assistant video, I won't dive into these too much, but just in case you are curious, the bulb I've got here is from LifeX, and that one there is a I can't even remember the brand name. I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't think I can see it there, but the link will be in the description just in case you want to check that out. Just to sum up the difference between the two, that's a lot brighter at 1500-ish lumens. This is about 900 lumens, I believe, and it's, you know, it's less bright. So I use that as a grower's light for my plant, my little Swiss cheese plant. So that one needs to be a little brighter. So yeah. Although I must confess, when it comes to RGB colors, this one here is brighter, about double of what that costs, but that's because this one's way better when it comes to RGB. While that one, it supports RGB, but it's not as bright as that one per se. So the LifeX being brighter in RGB, but a bit dimmer in the whites. And also, just paying a visit under my table, we have this Techie plug adapter that is what I used, which connects to your Wi-Fi and can be controlled by your Google Home or Google Assistant in your watch. Simply plugging your whatever you want to control into this thing here. So you can control, say, a lamp or a printer or a night light, whatever you want. So these are really useful stuff. Highly recommend, and they're quite cheap. So I'll put that in the description if you want to take a look at that at all. So yeah, let's go back upstairs. Well, not upstairs. Let's just get up. What is the value of pi?
Okay, here goes. 3.1415926535897932384626433832795028.
A few moments later.
841971693993.
More moments later.
8211706798.
Oh, she's done. Oh, wow. Well, you get the point. She's a goddamn genius and someone you can pretty much ask anything to and expect an answer from, as well as singing your bedtime story.
Bath time's done, change into your PJs, dim the lights, let's have no more delays.
I may not play too much of that just in case it is copyrighted, which I doubt you would do to me, Google, but yeah, I'll just stay on the safe side. I'll save the more specific till last so you guys can skip it if it's not relevant to you. But the third for me is set a 2-minute timer for me.
Okay.
The ability to set a timer on the Google Assistant. Now, hear me out. The reason this is so crucial for me is there are many workouts that involve me not getting the time to actually jump onto my watch, set a timer, and jump back into the workout, because even those few seconds, it would add to the tally of that workout, such as a plank, skipping, or any other workout of that kind of caliber. You see what I mean? So being able to just tell Google when you're about to start and Google just sets that timer for you. I might be sweating in my hands and might not be able to activate the timer. It might not go off in time. So that's a really useful feature for me. Google pretty much has so many applications. You can do almost an infinite number of things. So I'd say just explore, see what you find that works for you. And as you can see, the time has just gone off. But yeah, it's vibrating on my wrist. It's very helpful. and I'd recommend you just download it and see what features make you happy or you find is useful for you, because I found it to be a lot more useful than I initially thought when I went to download the app. So yeah, I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if it helped you, if you learned something new. And yeah, any questions, leave it in the comments below. And subscribe for more content like this, tips, tricks, and whatnot. This is Rack signing out. See you on the next one.